Kaya, so naputol kasi, wala na kuryente. Wala sa ulan. Pero syempre, i-grind ko nga to. Since sabi ko na nga, mag-grind na ako ngayon. Kaya mag-grind tayo. Wala kay choice. Kundi makinig. So, sabi na lang natin, this is the part 2.2. Kasi yung kanina, yung nainglian is 2.1. Today, 3:52 na. Nakakain naman ako ng lunch. So, mag-end tayo ng 4:30. Ano, 30 minutes lang. Diba? Syempre, may mga ganyan-ganyan pa ako. Kaya, okay. An integrative conceptual approach introduced by Roldan has its highest level. Ano ba yung kasi sabi ni Roldan? Roldan. Roldan. Ano ba to? Integrity, conceptual approach. Dr. Josefina Roldan. Ang kanyang work ay conceptual approach is an integrative conceptual approach or education that emphasizes the development of critical thinking. Highest level, yeah, is critical thinking. Again. That's critical thinking. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. How can you help a learner with augmentative and alternative communication and gets frustrated when his or her devices take too long to operate? So, ignore the frustration, no? Assist the student by taking control of the device. Dahil hindi, kapag nagla-learn ka, you have to simplify the choices on the augmentative and alternative communication device for the lesson activity. Kasi, kapag ikaw na mismo yung magsasagot, ano pa yung learning ng student, di ba? Okay. Which one can help student develop the habit or critical thinking? Which one can help students develop the habit of critical thinking? Blind obedience to authority, hindi. Hindi. Wait lang, sisinga nga ako. Wala pa lang 1 minuto, sisinga na siya, no? Hindi naman pala siya nakakadiri sa video. Oh, yan. So, syempre, paano ka magkakaroon ng critical thinking? Blind obedience pa sa authority. Kahit ano gawin mo, pag sinabi ng authority na nilaan mo yung sapatos, nilalaan mo kasi may blind obedience ka? No. Asking convergent questions. Converge. Kapag pa-converge, para sa plate tectonics, papunta lang sa iisang conclusion. Hindi. Critical thinking, dapat divergent ang thinking na yan. Asking low-level questions, yung mga lots lang, no? Dapat hats ka nakatutok, di ba? So, a willingness to suspend judgment until sufficient evidence is presented. Para, wait, kalma ka lang, hindi mo na ako sasagot kasi kailangan ko muna ng much more ebidensya, ganyan. That's critical thinking. It's a way to develop your critical thinking. Next, these are benefits of cooperative play except for what? Cooperative. Except for what? Except. In cooperative learning, cooperative play, children learn that everyone experience situations differently. Tama. In cooperative play, children learns to discuss the problem and find solutions that would work with everyone. Yes, pwede. Children learn to value each other's strengths and contribution. Tama. Children learn to work individually. Individually, cooperative play nga. Next, Prof. Miranda incorporates current issues on economic crisis, government expenditure, ano yung ini-integrate niyang model na transdisciplinary. Bakit ko to alam? Kasi ito yung review. Basta, report ko to. Multi-disciplinary. Meron tayong intradisciplinary, pero part din lang siya ng inter. At meron tayong transdisciplinary. Pag sinasabi natin transdisciplinary, basta may kinalaman siya sa real life situations, that is transdisciplinary. Yung lesson, dinadala mo na or ina-apply mo na siya in real life situation, real life examples, tinatry mo na i-relate yung lesson sa mga makabuluhang bagay na sa nangyari sa totoong buhay. That is transdisciplinary. Next, during work group, group work. Jane, who has intellectual disabilities, struggled to participate actively. Which of the following intervention could the teacher use to effectively support Jane? Assign a different group, this group, assign a different, assigning the group a different independent task. But guy, di ba dapat maging cooperative, proactive, providing prompts for participation, delegating all the tasks to other. Ay, mali. Bakit yan ang sagot mo? Di ka na naman nagbasa. Delegating all tasks, di na lang siya gagalaw. Mali. Publicly pointing out the students' lack of participation in the class. Eh, di na digra siya. Ano pa ang sagot dito? Prompting, providing prompts for participation. Encourage mo lang siya ng encourage. Hindi yung ay, huwag ka na sumali, puta. Hindi naman pwede yung ganoon. Next, 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 next. Oh, ay, dami niyang tama. Isa lang mali. Wait. Wait lang. Sige na ulit. When you receive a suspicious email, ano ang gagawin mo? Ignore mo yon, itapon mo, i-delete mo. Ignore the email, do not open, and delete it right away. Which is the most recommended mode of delivery instruction today para mag-address ng gaps on distance to increase learning opportunity? Balik ko to kasi dati. So, blended learning ang sagot. Hindi modular. Modular is self-learning module. So, hindi siya yung pinaka-best para mag-address ng gaps. Hindi rin face-to-face. Hindi rin internet based. Who is the father of modern IQ test? That is Lewis Terman. Lewis Terman. Lewis Terman. Play improve play improve social emotional skills except for one. Problem solving, yes. Sa social emotional. Empathy, syempre sa emotional. Communication, very yes. Agility, no. Kasi wala naman siya kinalaman about social emotional skills. If in a PTC or Parent-Teacher Conference at parents raised a concern for their daughter who did not know how she was graded because, excuse me, teacher did not present the scoring rubric. The teacher explained to the parent that she does not make scoring rubric public. Is the teacher right? No, she isn't. Mali. Bigay mo. Tak. Ay, kagalit. For what main reasons are schools as agents of change advised to offer courses that industry need? So, syempre, hindi naman siya kinalaman sa political. Hindi naman kanina yung political natin yung suffrage. Hindi naman siya may nalaman sa eco-literacy. Wala siya yung sa environment. Hindi na naman yun nalaman sa history. So, sa economics siya. Schools act as an agent of change to offer courses that the industry need is may kinalaman sa economic state status ng isang country. Next, interpersonal intelligence is known by students who, syempre, yung may kinalaman sa ibang tao. Seeks out for a class for help. Seeks out a classmate for help when problems occurs. Kapag works on his own, keeps interest to him or herself at spends time mediating, lahat yan ay intrapersonal. Intra, kasi within own self lang. Which said to be decontextualized. Decontextualized. So, kung mga gawa na nalilito ako, gagawin natin, mag-a-add one out tayo. Simple recall test. So, ito ay parang simple lang. Tests are measured in HOTS to. Performance task, HOTS din yan. Or authentic assessment din yan. Simulation test, ano din yan. Sa HOTS din yan. So, pinaka-basic is, makakaiba is yung simple recall test. Tsaka decontextualize siya kasi 'di ba kapag contextualize nakabase siya sa culture ng isang tao, nakabase siya sa isang influence sa isang ibang tao, sa isang community, parang gano'n. So, kapag yung authentic assessment, pwede mo siyang mai-tailor according dun sa context or dun sa culture ng isang tao. Gano'n din kapag nagme-measure ka ng HATS kasi sa HATS, creativity, creating, evaluating, analyzing, at gano'n din kapag simulation. Transition between grade levels and continue competencies through spiral progression. Ang tawag dito is seamless. Seamless kapag walang repetition tapos sa bawat grade level is nagkakaroon ng difficulty. Parang pahirap na pahirap. That's wala, seamless. One of this is not true about imaginative play. So, hindi na naman totoo. So, imaginative play involves acting out scenarios that are not present in reality. Imaginative ka. So, tama yan. Imaginative play develops creativity. Tama din. Imaginative play helps children understand and manage their emotion. Tama din. So, wala. Sa lahat ng tama, lahat ng scenario is tama. The teacher instilled to the students the Filipino values of respect for the elderly that is shown through provision of spaces in the building, granting discounts about privileges, prioritizing them in grocery stores and LRT station. What is being implied? So, lagi ko itong mali. Dati ang lagi ko sagit is multicultural literacy, which is mali. Dapat lang is social literacy. Paggalang lang, basic lang na decency ng paggalang sa mga matatanda. That shows social literacy. Teacher A discovered that his pupils are very good very good in dramatizing, which tool must make him discover that his pupils' strength portfolio assessment, no. Diba, pwede na lang siya showcase, no. A journal entry, hindi. Performance task, of course. Pencil and paper, hindi rin. Performance task. You have to see, of course. Ang takbang ng mata mo, ng senses mo rin. Allow Eric Erikson, psychosocial theory, psychosocial theory, this serve adolescents the basis for seeing useful roles and purpose in life, but not to include emancipation of purpose. Ever since tama ko to, hindi ko pa rin alam ibig sabihin ng emancipation. 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 Meaning, diba na-search ko na dati? Emancipation. Constipation. Emands. To be freed from control. To be freed from restraint, control, or the power of another person. Oo nga, no, wala mga nalaman yun. Okay, may kinalaman ng merit and loyalty, social and interpersonal identity, at self-esteem. Okay, next. Which statement is true of society's demand from the Because the professional teacher is expected to be highly enlightened, he is expected to campaign. No, bawal mag-campaign ang mga teacher. The professional teacher is not expected to lead. Expected nga siya na makipag-participate sa community, di ba? Effective teacher is the primary duty of the professional teacher. Okay? Professional teacher is concerned only. So, dahil only, tanggalin mo na yan. So, ang pinakatamang sagot dito is effective teaching is the primary duty of a professional teacher. Next. Ito, balik ko to. Providing play periods to children is beneficial to their development. The following are the benefits of play according to Diary and Johnson's 2023 except for one. So, all of the above. Lahat yan mali. Ano ba kasi to? So, isusulat natin siya na hindi ko pa alam. Benefits of play. So, hindi kasali ang brain benefit, academic benefit, creative benefit, by Dearybury and Jones ng 2023. Lahat yan di kasali. Except for what is sasagot all of the above. O isa lang din ang mali ko dito ha. These cater advanced students whose learning are not met by conventional learning system. That is the is. Kapag mga parang advanced students na siya, is means if effective and affordable secondary education. That's is. In celebration of Cymatic. Ito, alam ko lang, din na nabasa ko sa libro, kaya hindi ko na binasa. Theme-based ang sagot. As in, Theme, Theme based. Okay, kasi may kinalaman siya sa science, math, and computer technology. Which of the following is directly a contrast of the concept of multiculturalism? So, kalaban ng directly contrast. Ang hirap pagsalita para akong ano. So, wait lang, sisigala ulit. Ah, 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 ah. Kasi may nagpop-up dito. Kainis. Okay. So, ano yung wait, taga, di pa tapos. Okay. So, ano yung kalaban ng multiculturalism na nandito? A staff who dislikes food from other religion dahil ayaw niya daw ng taste buds niya. A D na nagre-refuse ng students na mag-enroll kasi hindi naman niya naiba sa prerequisite requirement. A student who does not prefer to have his education in public school. Wow, siya alam, iibot. A teacher who ignores students who cannot understand the lesson. Siyempre, ano ba yung kinalaman sa education at sa kultura dito? Tira ba yung staff? Oo, siya yung nagpapakita ng agad sa culture. Pero hindi naman siya may kinalaman sa multiculturalism. So, hindi naman yung deal about agad sa ACADS. Yung student naman, ang pakialam niya, parang siyang ibot. Ay, ibot. Parang siyang, mayamang. Mayabang. So, ang sagot dito is yung teacher na ini-ignore niya yung students who cannot understand the lesson. If you plan to produce a digital tool as a learning material, which of the following aspect will you consider first? Siyempre, kapag gumagawa ka ng tool, hindi mo naman titignan agad yung convenience, yung visual impact, hindi rin yung economic value, durability, hindi rin yung quality, efficiency, and technicality. Ang titignan mo dyan is yung appropriateness niya, akma ba siya sa students, the validity, at yung relevance. Baka magpapagawa ka naman, yung kasi pinaka-importante, the validity, the relevance, and appropriateness. Because what if magpagagawa ka ng mga iba't ibang learning material dyan that is not akma sa kanilang grade level, that is not valid for your lesson, and even not relevant sa topic ninyo. So, anong pakialam kahit na efficient siya, kahit na may economic value siya, diba? Whatsoever. Again, among thinking skills, ano ibig sabihin ng analysis natin? Analysis means breaking down. Analysis, anabolic process, pero yun yung pagbuo ng mga simple compounds. Parang pagbuo ng mas malalaking compounds from simple compounds. So, simple na mga elements. Pero kapag sinabi ng catabolic process, yun yung pag-breakdown. Pero kapag sinabi nating analysis dito sa Bloom's Taxonomy, it's all about breaking down. Pag sinabi nating synthesis, wala bang synthesize, yun yung pagbuo. Excuse me. What is Which component are professional teachers expected to demonstrate? Dapat meron kang personal, professionalism, competence, tama, professional, tama, scientific, hindi naman, physiological, hindi rin. So, ang sagot ko ay D, which is correct. Kindergarten came from what country? Germany. Ang father is si Froebel. Okay. What does conservative Filipino student experience when she migrated to the US and witnessed for herself the PDA? Siyempre, meron siyang culture shock. Ano ba yan? Ang mababastos naman dito. Ganyan. Eme lang, pero parang ganun yung mararamdaman niya. This was developed by Sibo, Inotech, where parents, community, at teachers collaborate to address large number of dropouts. Ito ay yung e-impact. Kasi e-impact is may kinalaman. Yung P niya is parents, C, community, and teachers. So, instructional management by parents, communities, and teachers. According to Eric Erikson, identity and role confusion occurs saan? Elementary, high school, college, or preschool? High school. Kasi dyan yung parang, sa ano ba ako talaga ako ganyan? Magpapatanong ka kung ano purpose mo sa buhay, ganyan. Kung ano ka ba talaga ako, girl, boy, bakla, tomboy, ganyan. How can you help a student who stutters and gets anxious when called in the class? Paano mo siya matutulungan? Publicly calling out their stuttering to improve revenge. Ay, hindi naman yun pa pwede. Ang sama mo naman na teacher kapag yan, ay, sabihin mo, basta ulitin mo na naman, masama yun naman. Ang daldal niya talaga, hindi siya tumitigil magsalita. Ang sakit na tatain ako. Next. Lowering their, lowering their participation due to their fluency disorder. Siyempre, hindi ka naman mag-aano. Dapat na sa teacher na sa prof ed. Dapat para perfect ka na teacher dito. Provide longer waiting time when asking a question to allow processing. Yung tamang sagot. Siyempre, maging mabait ka naman kahit papaano. Ano man, bakla. Next, a parent disagrees with the recommendation made in the child's yung individualized education program. Individualized education program. What is the most legally appropriate thing that parents should do? Should, should do? To request the mediation process to resolve the disagreement. Ang sagot ko kasi, to have their child placed in talented or gifted. Malay mo naman, di ba? Hindi lang siya disagree, ay hindi lang siya nag-agree. So, ang pinaka-appropriate niya, mag-request siya ng meditation process para ma-resolve ang disagreement. As a child, they get to tell they are Cinderella or hero sa mga Marvel cartoons. For Piaget, anong stage ito? Hindi naman siya sa sensory motor, ito ay sa pre-operational. Kasi sensory motor, paano ganun parang yung mga yun. Sa pre-operational, 2 to 7, yan yung mga makukulit, and yung imagination is at its peak. Next, Jessa, who migrated in the US more than decades. Wait lang, parang may na-skipan ako. Malay natin, may na-skipan ako. Ayaw natin yun. Wala. Okay. Jessa, who migrated in the US for more several decades, entirely lost her awareness for the previous group and takes on the culture and attitudes of America. Example nito is parang gago naman ito si Jessa. Parang kinalimutan niya na entirely kung sino siya. Ito ay assimilation. Accommodation kasi yung, okay, paiba-iba natin. Kung sinabi natin accommodation, para meron ka sarili ko, meron ka culture. Magpunta ka sa isang lugar, nagkaroon ka ng culture. Pero hindi mo kakalimutan yung talagang culture mo. Sa assimilar, parang kang as dito. Na pagkatapos ng isang taon, 2 taon, ilang dekada naman na daw, nawala na siya ng awareness sa dati niyang culture. Nag-take na lang siya sa pride ng kanyang yun, lahat na, lahat. Ilan yun, sa pagiging American na siya. That's assimilation. Which of the following is not an outcome for functional behavioral assessment? Get not an outcome of functional 15 minutes lang. Which of the following is not an outcome of functional behavioral assessment? Description. So, bakit ko ito tama? Hindi ko ito alam eh. Mga nag-add one out lang ako dito. So, kasi yung functional behavioral assessment, grabe parang siyang test, diba? Description of the setting, events, and antecedents that predict the occurrence behavior pattern. The description of the consequence responsible for the problem behavior. Verification of the predictors and consequences through direct observation. Parang lahat naman ng ito is makukuha mo po sa isang assessment. Pero hindi mo makukuha ang child's history and behavioral occurrence dito sa assessment na yan. Kasi kapag behavior, naman matagal mo na subjects yung pinag-aaralan. Pero kapag itong assessment, parang tinanong mo, at the current level lang din. Napakadaldal niya, inaantok na yan, inaantok na. Pagkatapos ito, ako ay maliligo na. So what? Sabi ko lang para hindi ako makatulog. The concept of aesthetic draws the line between beauty and taste in concerns the nature of art it that interpret that can be interpreted and evaluated. How can this be best achieved with the practice of creative artworks? Siyempre, sila lagi-lagi sinasabi, you have to let your students work done. If they display well, mga these artworks is, you have to display them sa isang exhibit for the other students to appreciate and evaluate too. Hindi yung ipagpapapasa mo na lang sila, i-check, tapos i-return. Ano naman yun? Sayang. Or, hindi rin pwede na magkakaroon ng contest, i-declare mo yung winner, and then a-awardan mo yung pinakamaganda. Alam mo yung asad naman dun, di ba? Mas maganda yung pantay-pantay. Parang magkaroon na lang tayo ng exhibit, yung mga students na iba, mag-evaluate, ma-appreciate yung work na ginawa ninyo. Okay? Next, which of the following instructional practices will ensure that students with dyslexia, ano yung dyslexia sa may spelling, can access the information effectively in history class? Syempre, ito, pag-offer lang tayo ng audiobooks or text-to-speech options for reading materials. So, text-to-speech lang kasi mas maganda pag naririnig nyo na lang. Kasi kapag text-based materials, ay namalokal siya. Yung mga letters nagkakaano na yan. Kabisado niya kasi ako, may cross-crease ganun. Magkakaroon ako ng mga iba't ibang mga dyslexia, na parang nakakalito, requiring them to take detail na, ay, bas nagsusulat ka na naman, Max, hindi at kaya na lang utak ng mga dyslexia. So, mas maganda, pinaka-better is mag-offer ka na lang ng audiobook. At least yun, naririnig nila, or yung mga text-to-speech, naririnig nila for reading materials. With which does a teacher start his or her lesson if he or she in OBE, outcome-based assessment? Malamang may kinalaman siya sa in- intended learning outcome dapat. Tama. In Eric Erickson's theory, what is the unresolvable and resolved crisis of an adult who has difficulty establishing secure mutual relationship with a partner? So, ano yung parang pinaka-unresolved na case, syempre, intimacy and isolation. Bakit? Kasi mutual relationship with life partner na yan. Hindi na lang yan about sa trust and mistrust ng bata ka. It's about isolation and intimacy. Jowa na yan. The following are children with easy or flexible temperament characteristic. Wait lang, nasisiga ako. Nawawala kasi yung ano ko, tubig. Ay, hala, ang lapit naman. Yan. Naloka siya. Ah, wow! Ganyan, ganyan. Oh, amazing ka ha. Sige. Anyway, anyway, the the following are children with easy or flexible temperament characteristics. So, ano ibig sabihin nito? So, hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko ito nagawa, pero, excuse me. They have orderly sleeping and eating habit. So, ito nga, ilalagay natin ito. Yung mga easy or flexible temperament, pyramid characteristics. A sugar and a pan. Ah, dito tayo. Tingnan nyo guys. Hintayin natin. Gusto niya sentro ako. Perfect. Kaya pala. Next na. Uy, zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out ka na, bading. Ay, hindi po ako homophobic. Ako po ay ano lang. Bading lang din tawag sa mga kaibigan ko. Tawagan lang ba? Ayun. Game na nga. Daldal. Which of the following strategies can teachers least consider in preparing for their retirement? Siyempre, ito may kinalaman lang siya sa financial literacy. Ito yung pag-grab ng mga promo and freebies. Survey reveals that, oh, ba't mali ko to? Ay, hindi ko alam. Bakit mali ko to? Alam ko naman na yung tao sagot. Next. Survey revealed that some, di ba, may mga ganyang time. Alam mo, pero mali yung sagot mo. Ano ba? Survey reveals that some teachers face the retirement without savings at the hand, which brings them to worse poverty scenario. What are the reasons behind this? Culture of extended family dependency. Tama. Tama, tama. Kasi yung mga nanay na nanay, kapatid, nakatira kayo sa isang bahay kasi ganun sa Philippines. So, Ah, what's happening? Nagkakaroon ng culture ng dependency ka sa extended family na lalubog ka sa utang afterwards. Lack of priority on retirement preparation during early career years. Which is true. Kasi parang sa Filipinos, we are lucky. Kapag meron, sige, bigay. Kapag meron, sige, go gastos. Strong passion for value of teaching profession. Pero wala naman siya kanalaman, te. Lack of value on their career efforts and humiliation. May value yung mga yan, Max. Wala kinalaman sa financial literacy yan. Okay. Schema theory. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng schema theory? Diba? Hindi ko yan medyo alam, pero tama ko, astig. Schema theory. Ito yung pag-organize. We organize what we learn according to theories. I know that a schema is may kinalaman sa knowledge, prior knowledge, ganun. Na-activate ang schema natin. Tapos, ini-implement natin siya sa mga bagong schema. Yun yung tawag nating accommodation. Tama ba ako? Ah, oo. Accommodation yun. So, we organize what we learn according to patterns. Next. Okay, learning to be. Yung mga learning to be na isulat ko na, no? Learning to be as another pillar of learning is applied when schools block learning to be. Learning to be. So, lahat yan. Facilitate the student's personality development. Yes. Empower people to learn more about themselves. Yes, na yes. Encourage students to become immersed in their culture, yes. Read this learning outcome to determine how to read. Is this a good learning outcome to demonstrate how to read the poem? Yeah, because at the end of the day, if you can read the poem, na-achieve mo. So yes, it is stated in behavioral terms. Okay. Curriculum is dynamic process involving many different people and procedures. Usually, it is linear and logical step-by-step fashion. What order? So, muna magpla-plan ka, magde-decide ka, mag-implement ka, and then mag-evaluate ka. So, again, PIDAI. Planning, deciding, by implementing, evaluating. Next, which traditional paper and pencil can assess multicultural skills? That is essay. An inclusive classroom celebrates the children's achievement by marami kasing ways. For example, paghahang ng mga artwork para sa eye level for everyone to see. Pwede din na uh, ensure that children's name are included in the various context classroom learning, sharing achievements sa mga parents, di ba? So, hindi lang siya nalilipat sa isa, pero lahat yan. Next, cater caters on Filipino learners and needs of the community. Pag sinasabi seamless, seamless is to yung pagkakaroon ng continuous na process as pahirap sa grade level, next grade level to another. Pero kapag ito, pag sinasabi natin nagkikater ng learner needs sa isang community, that is relevance. Relevance and responsive. Again, pag may sinabi sa relevance, may kinalaman sa totoong buhay. Hindi na di ba naman siya decongested? Kasi decongested, ito yung pag pagdadaplis ng number ng learning competencies. Next, last page na to. Dahil naliligo na ako. So, ano maligo? A teacher notices that a student with emotional and behavioral disorder often refuse to begin writing. So, ano ulit yung gagawin natin? Ay, hindi pa pala yun. Iba pa, alak ko lang ulit. Which strategy could help increase the students' motivation and engagement? Hindi ka magpo-provide ng much more longer time sa students. Mag-aano lang yan, iyak-iyak lang yan. Hindi ka rin magbibigay ng, hindi ka rin tuwan siya magbibigay ng quiet workspace away from tears, di ba? Hindi ka rin magre-require ng students to, pero you allow the students to choose preferred writing topic or type of assignment. Next, School of the Future introduces improvement and reform. Kasi nabasa ko na yung word na reform, pagbabago, may kinalaman niya sa social or constructivism. Constructivism ang sagot. The promulgation of the Code of Ethics under PRC Resolution number 435 covers all institutions at the following levels and implicitly sa tertiary level. Teachers who will implement the curriculum should be involved in development. Hence, should know how to design a curriculum. So again, ito yung sinasabi ko, the teacher will implement the curriculum. So the curriculum change depends kung sino mag-i-implement. Depends on the people who will implement the change. Next, the following are school policies that would help and contribute to improve environmental protection, but without compromising data privacy ethics exempt 1. So, kasi exempt 1 na naman. Kasi ito, ang maayos naman siya. Pero tingnan mo, ang ginamit niya na pang-recycle, yung mga, ni-recycle niya yung mga students record. Yung may mga grades sila, yung mga test papers, para mag-distribute ng mga memo, which is very wrong. Kasi, syempre, pinatapakan niya na yung data privacy ethics. Curriculum can be approached in various ways, which definition provides the curriculum as a body of content or body of knowledge or content. So, ito yung may kinalaman sa iba't ibang topics. Kunyari sa science, may bio, may chemistry, may physics, may chem. Unlike sa math, may addition, subtraction, division, merong mga scalar, vector, quantities, ganyan. Along Piaget's principle, this is most appropriate for learning story, literature, and middlehood. Compare children's life with characters in the stories. So, kapag nagkukwento tayo sa mga middle childhood, sa mga story literature, dapat yung story ng bida is kinocompare natin sa totoong buhay ng mga children. The following are example of techniques except asking people to repeat the answer, tama. Giving short quiz, tama. Assigning exercise for a workbook, tama. Challenging the students to be all above the levels of the class. Hindi naman. Credit ka naman. The ability to perceive how objects are related to mentally perceive what is seen and thus creating visual images from the memory. Visual and spatial. Ito ay part ng multiple intelligence ni Gardner. Ayun, 4:30 na. So, see you again later. Tapusin ko to ngayong araw. Konti na lang yan. Yan na lang. Bye-bye!